Hello everyone. So, sa ngayon, si Nico David ay right here. Sabi ko sa kanya na woke naman talaga siya. Sinasabi mo oppressed ang LGBTQ when everybody is oppressed. Okay? Tapos ito nag-respond siya. Sabi niya, kailan ko sinabi yon saan video. So ito papakita ko lang sa kanya. Okay? Oppress means, ibig sabihin ng oppress is not equal. That they are treated not equal from everybody else. Okay, that they don't get fair treatment. Okay? So, itong video na to papakita ko sa kanya. Sandali lang. Tatanggalin natin to. And lalagay natin tong isa. Ito. Okay. Ito.
So siguro, kaya ako nilagay dito para turuan tong mga hinayupak na to kung paano gamitin yung platform nila ng tao ng tama at hindi puro sila hatred, okay?
Okay, ito.
Kasi
ito isang example ng pagiging woke ni Nico David. Okay. Kasi dito sa video na to, totoo naman yung sinasabi ni Ato na hindi dapat ginagastos ang taxpayer money, lalo na dito sa mga LGBTQ. Okay? Na wala namang magandang benefit from society. Wala namang kayong nakukuha. Ano bang nakukuha nyo dito? Bigay nga kayo ng example na nakukuha nyo dito. Sa LGBTQ, ano bang magandang na-promote nila that benefits society? Okay? So, yun ang first point ko. Everybody is oppressed. Pero itong special treatment mo sa LGBTQ na sinasabi mo na people hate them, if this is hatred, it's not. It's just saying the truth. Okay? And the truth hurts. You shouldn't be promoting this, Nico David. Alam mo ba ang mga deserving? Kasi dito sa video na to, you're talking about they should get free healthcare. Alam mo ba ang mga deserving na free healthcare is katulad ng mga people from the military, people who are willing to die for their country. They deserve to get free healthcare because they're laying their life on the line for the country. Okay? Yun ang first point ko. Okay? Etong LGBTQ, wala namang magandang nagagawa sa society. They actually ruin society by, ikaw din, you're part of it because you're promoting same-sex attraction. You are destroying the nuclear family. Kasi ang nuclear family is between a husband, a wife, and their children. Itong pinopromote mo na image na to, na kasi dito, sinabi mo dito, di ba? Dito na they can have, it's okay to have sex, same sex, kahit na okay lang na lalaki sa lalaki, babae sa babae, as long as they are on a magkaedad sila. At not magkaedad, but on the age na 18 and above. Okay? So yan, yung image na yan, yung sinasabi mong yan, yung message na sinasabi mo na pag may nagsasabi na mali, yung LGBTQ is hatred, that is woke. That is the definition of woke. Kasi nga, wala naman silang nagagawang mabuti. Sa society, wala naman. Bigay ka nga ng mga, siguro 5 example na may nakukuhang maganda kang matututunan sa LGBTQ. Wala naman, di ba? Bigay ka 5. Tapos gusto mo, you want taxpayer money para ipagamot yung mga sakit nila. Dito sa video na to, sa video na to. If you see ito.
So, maybe you're a first-time homebuyer or someone who has little to no experience with the HVAC industry.
Stop.
Ano yan pagdating sa 2028. Pero i-further yung katangahan niya dito sa internet. So ano na yan, lost cause na yan si Sir Jack. Good luck na lang doon sa mga boboto dyan sa tao na yan pagdating sa 2028. Pero si Ato kasi at least medyo kaya niya pang intindihin sana tong mga bagay na to eh. Yes, kung ayaw mo naman sa man-to-man action, yun sa dalawang lalaki na nagkakaplugan, wala namang pumipilit sa'yo. At tsaka sigurado naman wala namang din papayag na LGBT na anuhin ka eh. So, quits lang, di ba? So, ang point dito sana, instead of we are teaching hate dito sa, preaching hate dito sa mga tao na to, let's try to understand them.
There's nothing hate sa sinasabi ni Ato. What is hating about not, you don't want to spend money on something that doesn't help you? What's hatred about that? You don't want to spend money on something that you limited lang ang funds ng government and you want to spend it on things that don't really matter.
Di ba? Yun lang. Ako, hindi naman din ako member ng organisasyon na yan. Although nakita ko na yung mundo nila, not for me, di ba? One time, pumunta pa ako dun sa yun, yung Adonis, hindi ko gets kung bakit sila nag-i-enjoy doon. Kasi titignan ko lang yung sarili ko sa salamin. May lalaki na eh. Sila, gusto nila yon. Pero kanya-kanyang trip yan as long as all of it is above board or legal, walang problema doon. Hindi yun issue. Di ba? Anyway, tuloy na natin.
Ulol, magtitira-tirahan kayo sa puwet pag nagka-HIV kayo tapos gastos ng taxpayer medication. Ulol!
Pause. So ganito. Ganito yung analogy dyan. Most ng nagkaka-Alzheimer's na pasyente,
O tsaka malayo ang Alzheimer's sa HIV Alzheimer's, you don't have a choice with that. You are old and you get Alzheimer's, you don't have a choice. Hindi katulad ng LGBTQ, yung HIV, they have a choice. That's sex. You have a choice with that. Dito sa Alzheimer's, when you are old, when you are old, you have no choice. Like, magugulat ka na lang na meron ka.
Are matatanda. Most, hindi all. Most. Okay, siguro gamitin natin yung 80-20 rule. Okay, 80% na nagkaka-Alzheimer matanda. 20% yung mga hindi matanda. Okay? So, dun sa 80% na yon, meron mga mahihirap doon. Merong hindi kayang magtustos ng medication doon. So, ang gagawin nila, lalapit sila sa ahensya ng gobyerno at yung gobyerno yung sasagot dapat doon sa medication nung matandang yon. Okay? Fine? O dun sa 20%, applicable din yon. Pwede rin silang lumapit sa gobyerno. Okay? So, matanda, bata, pwedeng lumapit sa gobyerno para
Malayo na to eh. Hindi na ako. Yeah, this is different now. Pero yun nga lang, that's my point nga. Tong sinasabi niyang hatred, that is the definition of woke. Kasi ang woke ganito eh, guys. Ang woke, meaning ng woke is it came from the black community that there is racism. If you're gonna Google woke at its history, na everything is not fair, which is true naman. It's true that life is not fair. Okay, meron nga, it happens sometimes na may mga racism, but because that happens, that doesn't mean that people should get special treatment. Okay? Katulad nitong sa LGBTQ, just because na nagkaka-HIV sila, which is because of them, that doesn't mean the government, the taxpayer should pay for it. Nagka-HIV ka, like you could, and taxpayers spending money on that, like you could use that money for something else that's more important than that. You don't want to pay for somebody else's mistake. So yun lang eh, that is the definition of woke. Yung ginagawa mong ganito na sinasabi mo, this is hatred, when it's not, it's really just common sense. Yung nagigets ko ang point ni Ato, sinasabi ni Ato, he doesn't want to pay for somebody else's mistake. That doesn't really, and it doesn't really benefit society. So ayan if you want an example, ayan, marami pa diyan, marami ka pang mga video na woke ka. But this is one that comes to my mind. Binibigyan mo sila ng special treatment. Everybody's oppressed. Yes, pero itong LGBTQ binibigyan mo ng special treatment. When wala namang benefit na nakukuha. So, yun lang naman guys. Dinilit ko pala yung dalawang video ko because nagsasalita ako, wala pala, the mic was off. Because there's a button here that you can press. I need to press pagka when the recording starts, katulad ng ganito. ngayon, naririnig niyo na ulit ako. And I wasn't able to press that on my previous video. So, kung nakita nyo yun, like, wala akong boses. Wala akong audio. Pero yeah, Christmas is around the corner. Spend time with your family. Spend time with God. And you guys have good holidays. Yun lang naman. Peace out.